Hi, good evening. My name is Parag Kulkarni. I live in West Virginia, USA. I got in touch with Vinayji through his YouTube channel. I saw his videos on astrology. He was pretty good in explanation. So I got in touch with him and he gave me very good astrological advice along with remedies, which I believe are very simple to follow. I am really thankful to Mr. Vinayji for his services and I appreciate his help. And I hope many other people who believe in astrology can take his advice, which is really valuable. And I wish all the best to Mr. Vinayji. Thank you.
वल्लभं गजाननं एकदन्तं ओम नमो नारायणाय ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम ह्रीं नमः शिवाय शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशया. Hi everyone, welcome back to Astrology. This is Vinay. So friends, in this video I'm going to give you very important Vastu and Feng Shui tips to ensure the positive flow of energy in your home or at your office. When there is positive energy all around, it will automatically bring peace, prosperity, and wealth, and all areas of life will become richer, and therefore, invariably, you will also get rich. Remember, this is possible by fixing or getting rid of certain things which are not required, which are not supposed to be present in your house. You have to get rid of them, and some of the things you need to fix so that you get rid of negative energy. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 11 areas plus additional 3 areas at the end of the video. Therefore, please watch the video till the end. Now, before moving to the actual topic, if you are new to my channel, please ensure that you hit that subscribe button. If you subscribe to the channel, you will always stay connected with me. You're not going to miss any video. I post a feature video, long video every Saturday at 9 p.m. and every Wednesday at 9 p.m. I post a YouTube shorts which is less than 1 minute. All the videos are intended to solve certain problems that we have in our lives. That's the objective of this channel. Also, if you like this video, if you comment on this video, if you share this video with others, if you subscribe to this channel, YouTube is going to take these videos to more and more people. It's going to show these videos to more and more people. Therefore, more and more people can watch them and they can also get benefited. So indirectly, you are helping others as well as this channel to grow. Thanks for understanding. Without wasting any time, let's start today's topic. Number 1. Pigeon nest. It is said that having a pigeon nest in the house leads to instability in the house along with poverty. If you have one in the house, consider moving it away from the house. Please don't harm those pigeons or pigeon eggs. Just shift it to a different place away from your house. Number 2, beehive. A beehive is not only dangerous for you but also can attract bad luck and poverty in the house. If there is a beehive, please take the services of a professional to remove it and get rid of it. Number 3, spider web. A spider web in the house is a sign of unfortunate happenings in your life. Remove this immediately and keep your house as clean as possible. Number 4, broken mirrors. Broken mirrors are not only considered as poor Vastu, they can also attract negative energies in your house along with poverty. Make sure to throw away all broken mirrors in the house. Number 5, bats. Bats are considered to be the bearers of ill health, unfortunate situations, poverty, and even death. If you live in an area where there are bats around, make sure that you seal all windows and doors after sunset. Number 6, dent in walls. If you have some dents in your walls at home, get it repaired immediately. First thing, they don't look good aesthetically, but they can also attract bad luck and poverty. Number 7, leaky taps. See, leaky taps not only waste water, but they also are signs of positive energies being dragged out of the house or drained out of the house. Make sure to get a leaky tap or faucet repaired or replaced immediately. Number 8, dirty terrace. When I go for on-site Vastu consultations, I have seen that in some places the terrace of a house becomes a dump yard for garbage, or all old furnitures or old things are dumped in there. If you see your terrace is becoming a dumping yard, please ensure that you clean it, because otherwise it becomes a breeding ground for poverty. Number 9, stale flowers. When you pray to God every day, make sure that you do not offer stale flowers. You only offer fresh flowers. And also, the next day, please dispose the flowers that you would have used the previous day, because stale flowers can lead to poverty. Number 10, dry leaves. If you have indoor plants at home, please ensure that you maintain by weeding out all the dry leaves from those plants. Do this regularly to weed out dry leaves from the plants. Not doing so will attract negative energy and financial crunch or financial crisis. Number 11, loose wires. Please ensure that there are no loose wires the way it is shown here in the video. Also, do not keep any electronic gadgets or appliances which have stopped working. Throw them off, dispose them, either get them repaired or throw them off. So friends, those were the 11 Feng Shui and Vastu tips. Additionally, there are 3 more tips. The first and foremost is, again, when I go for on-site Vastu consultation, I have seen that people have lofts in the bedrooms, in bathroom toilets and storerooms. So what I've seen is people keeping all the old items which they have not been using for years on these lofts or in storage rooms. For example, old suitcases, old bags, old clothes, old electronic appliances, even the old brooms, old toilet cleaners, etc. etc. Please remember, you are inviting Rahu. Rahu gets activated when you dump these things in your storage area. So please get rid of all these old items which you have been not using for last 1 year. If there are 100 things, I understand that there can be 10 or 15 things where you have some emotional connect. If that is the case, those 10-15 items, you arrange it properly, put them in a carton box, seal them, and keep them, arrange them properly on the loft or in your storeroom. Don't dump them. The second bonus tip is, as most of you know, money plant is auspicious. Keeping a money plant in a green vase at the entrance of the house near the main door will also help in inviting money. Third bonus tip is, you can keep a water fountain, a running water fountain in the northeast corner of your house, but you need to ensure that it doesn't get dried out. The water is continuously flowing. If that is not possible, then please don't keep it. Otherwise, it will also help in improving your cash flow. So those were the tips from a Feng Shui and Vastu perspective. I'm stopping this video here. If you are still watching the video, there is a free bonus or giveaway awaiting for you. Please continue to watch the video for a few more minutes to avail the free gift or bonus. Thank you very much. We have few free giveaways. You stand a chance to get 50 plus pages personalized numerology report for yourself or any other person along with the birth chart. And most importantly, you will also get a chance to consult me. It's a free telephonic consultation on any of the coming Saturdays on first come first serve basis. So what you will have to do for this, you just have to send this message that I need free report and consultation to this number, and then we will ask you to complete certain very simple tasks, and once you complete it, you will have a 50 plus pages personalized numerology report for yourself, and you will also get a free consultation. Okay, so let me stop this video, and if you think that this video was of any help to you, please ensure that you like this video, you comment on this video, share this video with your loved ones so that they also can get benefited. And finally, don't forget to subscribe. As I said before, the more you like, comment, share and subscribe, the YouTube algorithm is going to take this video to more and more people, and more people will get benefited. Thanks a lot for watching once again. Until next time, be good, do good, stay safe. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu.